Most Shopify stores are stuck at 1.5 conversion. If you are searching how to increase Shopify conversion rate, this is why you're not growing. I'm Valentin, founder at OmniConvert. We fix this for e-commerce brands for 12 years in a row. Stay 6 minutes with me and I'll give you the 4-part system we use on real e-commerce stores. Traffic is not the problem. This is for Shopify founders, e-commerce marketers, growth people who have traffic and ads, but the store just won't convert. Right now, traffic is expensive, UX is a bottleneck, and AI is exposing bad journeys. If you don't fix conversion, you'll just scale loss. Let me show you the 3 reasons why you're stuck at 1.5%, then I'll give you the framework. First of all, you never asked why not. Analytics tells you what happened. It never tells you why they are not buying. One exit survey on the product page, what stopped you from buying today, and another one that you're going to hear about afterwards is gonna fix this. Those 2 surveys will give you more CRO ideas than 10 blog posts. Second, your unique value proposition is bland. You're saying what you sell, not what problem it solves. Visitors don't see their struggle, their desired outcome, or the progress your product gives them. So they bounce. Third reason, you leave the website as it is. You don't test because we don't have enough traffic. But even with low traffic, you can optimize for progress in the funnel. More people searching, using filters, and viewing product pages. This is progress. If more visitors are moving deeper in the funnel, that's already a win, even before the final conversion. If this is useful, stay around. The full 4-step CRO system is up next. We use this order: listen, segment, test, tie to value. I'll walk you through all 4, then I'll show you what it looks like on a real store. Right now, you're guessing. We don't guess. We listen first. Do this. Add a survey on the product page exit. What stopped you from buying today? Add another survey on the cart or checkout exit. What's missing to complete your order? Collect 50 to 100 answers. The idea is to see how these 5 blockers are being distributed in your case. Shipping is too high, not sure if it fits or works, I don't trust the store, payment or UX issue, just browsing. Those 5 become your test backlog, not random ideas, customer-sourced ideas, and beginning with the end in mind. You can set this up directly in OmniConvert and tag answers. If you're not listening, you're decorating. Most D2C stores are optimizing for sessions, for traffic. You have to optimize for shoppers. Not every visitor is the same, so stop serving the same journey. First-time visitor from an ad? Prove you're legit. Delivery, social proof, why this brand? Warm or returning visitor? Show what they viewed. Bundles, reasons to buy right now. High-value customers? Stop couponing them. Give them access, not discounts. This is how you go from one-size-fits-all experience, 1.5%, to multiple tailored experiences, 1.7, 1.8%. The beauty of the conversion rate uplift is that it's compounding throughout the time, so it has the snowball effect, and that's what you're after. In OmniConvert, you can target by behavior or by the RFM or customer lifetime value, so your best customers don't get the same Shopify template as the window shoppers. And this is where teams blow it. They talk about CRO instead of shipping CRO. Here's what to do. Take the problems customers actually told you, turn them into tests on pages that make you money, product page, cart, checkout. Run at least 1-2 tests every month. And that's it. Small but relentless. Bad test, green versus blue. Real test, add reviews and delivery info right next to the add to cart button. Better test, short, well-designed and pretty PDP versus full I remove all your objections PDP. If your calendar has more meetings than experiments, that's why you are stuck. And one more thing, not every uplift is a win. If conversion goes up but it's all discount hunters, low AOV, low repeat, low margin, that's not growth, that's noise. So after every test, ask, who did we convert? If conversion goes up but AOV goes down, fake win. If conversion goes up but only low-value visitors bought, fake win. So we always report three numbers: conversion rate, AOV or margin, CLV over 90 days. If the test brings better customers, that's a win. If it brings worse customers, document, get the knowledge, and kill it. That's why we built RFM and CLV into OmniConvert as an experimentation solution. CRO should make you richer, not busier. Not all conversions are equal. Quick example. We worked with Avon. Their cart abandonment was too high for them to bear for the makeup category. We added a product page exit survey. 42% of them said not sure about the color. So we tested adding more friction in the funnel. Adding another step, an overlay with a beauty advisor asking what color are your eyes on the category page. And then see the best products for green eyes. Abandonment dropped by 34% for the entire makeup category. That's the win. Not more orders, more of the right customers. If you want to see where your Shopify store is leaking money, we built an AI-powered CRO audit inside OmniConvert. It looks at your journeys, segments, and voice of customer and tells you what to test first. Go to crobenchmark.com, and if you want to go deeper, subscribe to get the next video on Shopify CRO. 3 pages you must optimize first. Don't stay at 1.5%. That's the "we don't listen to customers" tier. I'm Valentin Radu. See you in the next one.